Well, we made it, everybody, through Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. And I don't know about you, but my portfolio looks a little beaten up today. Not as bad as it did earlier, but it's better than worse right now. Just not as good as it would have been if it was invested all in one thing, and better than if it had been invested in another. I'll go through what happened in my portfolio, the moves that I made today, and um, yeah, why my portfolio is down at this point, $2,650, so just about. I finished today at $177,338, which is down about 1.5% almost, compared to the TSX, which was down 2.19%. I did a little better than that, but I did worse than the TSX, or the S&P 500, sorry, which was down 0.88, almost 0.9%. And the Nasdaq was down less than what I lost today. And the reason that I lost, like I did today, was due to a couple of holdings. We'll go through what made the change to my portfolio. To start, I'll just go through the three worst. First was XEQT. That's a very large holding that I have, almost $30,000 worth, which is an all-in-one diversified ETF that invests in virtually everything that's investable in the world. That was down almost $600 today. The other one that was bad today for me was Quantum Emotion. It gave up $522. And finally, Google, which is my largest holding, gave up almost $400 today. It is what it is. The better performers were the leaps I have for PayPal. I got a pair of leaps. I've got a $40 call and a $60 call, both expiring in January 2028. And those were both up. And so was my call for SoFi. It's a $20 call expiring in January of 2027. So there were some good bright spots on the screen, but didn't compensate for the losses that I suffered today. And they're not booked losses until you actually sell anything. So, I'm not terribly worried about it. I mean, there's war going on, people are dying. There's more important things than money right now. I know this. This is a long-term thing, my portfolio, and I know that hopefully this war will resolve in due course, and things will get better. But your guess is as good as mine as to when that's going to happen. As far as what I did to my portfolio today, I did add to my position of XEQT. I placed a number of orders. Only one went through today. As I mentioned yesterday or the day before, I got $1,000 grant, a disability bond, savings bond deposited in my portfolio by the government because I am a person with low income. I live on ODSP, which is $1,300 a month. So I got $1,000 from the Canadian government because I have low income, and I'm just kind of doling that out piece by piece so that I don't end up blowing the whole wad on one holding in one shot. So I'm trying to dollar cost average into the XEQT, which is the iShares Core Equity ETF. I bought 2 additional shares at $41.75, which is higher than it ended up closing at today, which explains part of my loss. The other things that I did, I set up a few sales. They didn't go through, but the sales don't, or the purchases don't expire until Friday. So, there's still a chance that that prices will drop to the level that I'm willing to pay, but that hasn't happened yet. As far as my cat, Tigger, he seems to be in much better shape. Thanks for everybody who commented support. I appreciate it. He's a member of my family, so nobody's happy when their pets are sick, or you think you're gonna lose them. It's pretty tough. So, anyways, thanks to everybody who's commented. Positive messages of support. I appreciate it, and hope everybody else did okay today. It was, like I said, it was a kick in the pants for me today, and not so great. But earlier on, I was down over $6,000. So being down only 2,600 at this point is a blessing. So I'll take it. Anyways, hope you had a good one, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.